The Education Ministry is pushing to ensure that all schools damaged during Hurricane Melissa can resume operations in January 2026. Education Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon began her official school tour at Lacovia High in St. Elizabeth. The school is among those which were damaged during Hurricane Melissa, losing roofs, buildings for agricultural programs and other items.
Sure. In terms of the damage and the estimates that have been done, we're already at $15 billion. And that does not include a lot of other things, because even at Lacovia High, the farm has been damaged. That doesn't include the repairs that would be needed for the farm. And it doesn't include, for example, new computers that are going to be needed, because a lot of our schools that were damaged, the computer labs were damaged also. Work has started, and this work will finish before school reopens in January. That took a lot of work. It meant getting all the assessments done, getting all of our quotations in, identifying contractors, and mobilizing those contractors to get the work done.
Now, the minister says students will be able to receive counseling and other psychosocial support to deal with trauma associated with the hurricane.
There are going to be some schools that are so damaged, even if we worked all through the Christmas, they're not going to be able to be back fully. So we're looking at other modalities. We're using tents, we're using temporary structures, and in many instances, we're going to have to go back on shifts for schools that don't have shifts. But our goal is really to get the children back.